decided that Wednesday should be VA day because I do get quite a few comments and emails where people are like, all you do is talk about VA. I love VA. Sorry, it's one of my faves. Okay, so Wednesdays are now VA days, and today I want to start with something that is one of the biggest misconceptions. And so I'll get calls from borrowers and they're like, the lender's trying to rip me off. And in this instance, they're not. So I want to talk to you today about the VA funding fee. Yes, the VA funding fee. So unless you're exempt from it, you do have to pay a funding fee when you do a VA mortgage, okay? Now, it's not something you pay for out of pocket, it's financed into your loan amount. And you can easily go online, and I'll have a link somewhere near this video that takes you to the VA funding fee chart for 2020, okay? It is public information, it is from the VA. You know, you're not gonna see lenders charge different funding fee amounts because ultimately, you know, it's set. It's not set by the lender, it's set by the VA. So I'm gonna give you some examples. So let's say you're buying a house for $100,000 and it's the first time you've ever used VA and you're putting $0 down, okay? The funding fee is 2.4%. So what's gonna happen is you're gonna see a loan amount of $102,400. Okay? Now let's say you used your VA before and this is your subsequent use. In that case, you're gonna see a VA funding fee of 3.6%, and so that's going to be $103,600. Yeah, it's really hard to say, but the whole point is that the funding fee goes on top of the purchase price, which if you're putting nothing down is also your loan amount. So if you get your disclosures and you're like, wait, why is the loan amount more than the purchase price? It's because of the VA funding fee. So I'll have a link so you guys can check it out. I just wanted to do a really quick video about this because this is something that I see a lot of. I get the question too. I get the question of, Jen, we're borrowing, you know, $450, but you've got your paperwork wrong because you have the loan at XYZ. And it's like, no, actually we don't. It's because of the funding fee. So with a VA mortgage, unless you're exempt from the funding fee is always going to be on top of that purchase price. Now, if you were putting 5% down and it was your first time using it, even subsequent use, the amount of the funding fee does decrease. So it is useful to view this chart just so that you know how that funding fee works, because then you'll be armed and ready to go. So I hope this has been helpful. If you have any questions, I know it's super quick, but it's just really easy to explain. So I'll have a link to it. And as always, I love it when you guys call and let me compete for your business. It's one of my favorite things. So if you want me to run rates for you or anything else, I'm licensed in 43 states. Pick a time on my calendar. I am happy to run rates and give you a quote real quick, okay? Have a great Wednesday. Thanks.